When it comes to the water you drink, you've got to be very conscious about what you're doing. Tap water has all kinds of different things. Depending on the city you're in or where you're at, tap water can be very, very bad for your health. So I clean all the water that I drink, and I convert it into pure water either through distillation or reverse osmosis. But I don't drink it in that form. In that form, it is dead, and it's also a major solvent. So what I do is I add unrefined sea salt to every speck of water that I drink, and that includes anything I drink in tea or juice, because I want to make sure I've got my electrolytes coming in to produce clean blood. Water is a solvent, but you got to make sure you start with a base of pure water. The sea salt structures it and brings the life back into the water. I also use a grander. A grander is a little keychain, little pendant that I put into the water that immediately removes the memory of the water that is not good and puts energy. It supercharges the water. It's a technology out of Austria that makes water just like it's perfect, pristine, and fresh from the earth.